I have to eat one more salad that's made of wilted iceberg lettuce and a cup full of ranch. We're not doing that. Today, I want to teach you how to make salads that don't suck, salads that are creative, maybe even restaurant quality salads, all from at home. Now there's a few tricks I have up my sleeve when it comes to creating good, flavorful salads. Salads that have creative dressings, salads that have different textures and flavors that meld together. When we're creating recipes at home, sometimes it's hard to think of the best flavor combinations or what ingredients to use. You're not always standing in front of all the different food options like you are at the grocery store. So when I like to plan my salads, I use the book called The Flavor Bible. Let me show you a little bit more about it. It's a super cool book and it has almost any ingredient you could think of listed in alphabetical order. When you look up each of the different ingredients, it gives you when it's in the peak of season, different cooking techniques for how you can make the ingredient, and different flavor combinations that pair really well with the ingredient. You can probably see how this would be helpful to create the best salad recipes. So let's dig in a little bit more and I'll show you my exact method for creating a salad recipe. Okay, first things first is picking a base that is unique and different. So many of us always go for the head of romaine or the head of iceberg lettuce, but today I want to challenge you to do something a little bit different. So whatever your method to your madness is, if that's going and exploring your grocery store or walking around the farmer's market, peek and see what ingredients are in season and what ingredients are available to you that would make a good base for your salad. Some of my favorite unique salad bases can include arugula, endives, red cabbage. Just remember that you have lots of different options available to you that have different crunches and textures. So try to choose something a little bit different and out of the ordinary. For this example, we're gonna go ahead and use arugula as the base. So now that we figured that out, it's on to toppings. When I'm choosing toppings for my salad, I like to pull out the Flavor Bible once again and see what ingredients they suggest pairing together. So if we flip to the page for arugula, we find a couple different things. We find that it's in season spring through summer, which is good for our time frame right now. It should be good, it should be at its peak and taste really nice and fresh. And then it gives us a whole list of different ingredients that pair well with it. So to name just a few: almonds, basil, chicken, cilantro, mushrooms, mussels, nuts, olive oil. This gives us a whole different list of ideas of what we could possibly use to top our salads. Now, when you're choosing toppings for your salad, remember a couple things. I love to have different textural elements to add a nice little crunch to the salad, or just to add some different textures and fun colors. For our salad today, we're gonna use tomatoes, prosciutto, almonds, lots of good toppings that have different fun colors and vary in texture. The third step to create salads that don't suck is figuring out what protein you want in your salad. So often we eat a salad and then we're hungry, like 15 minutes later? It seems like, at least. So pick some protein to include in your salad that's gonna keep you full for a long time. Some of my favorites, if you want to include chicken or pork or even fish. If you're vegetarian or vegan, maybe you can opt for some quinoa. I love throwing that in my salad. Something that's going to bulk up your salad, give it a little bit of extra volume, and again, keep you full for longer. Okay, next we're gonna be a little bit extra, and for step 4, we're gonna make our own salad dressing. Now I know this sounds hard, especially if you've never done it before, but really it's not as daunting as you may think. It gives your salad an extra little kick of freshness. I feel like it makes it more fun, and you get to pair the exact flavor that goes along with your salad that you've just created. So once again, pull out the Flavor Bible and figure out what flavors go well with the salad that you've just created, with the toppings and with the base of your salad. For my arugula salad, lemon juice pairs really well. So we're gonna go ahead and make a homemade salad dressing that has a base of lemon juice and olive oil. Don't be intimidated by making your own salad dressing. If you want to make a typical vinaigrette, go ahead and use 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. Now you may have to play around with this ratio just a little bit if you're using any acidity, or to tweak it to your liking, but use that as your general guideline for creating a vinaigrette. Always, always, always when you're making salad dressing, remember to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I promise you it goes a long way and it makes it taste extra good. Now my last step for creating the best salad recipes is to think outside the box. Your salads don't always have to have a base of lettuce. They don't always have to have a salad dressing. Maybe that means a cucumber and tomato salad, and that's your base. And then you have avocado for your topping. Or maybe you want to do a more pasta-based salad. Pasta is your base, and you use cheese and meat and lots of other yummy toppings. So I challenge you, using your flavor Bible, to think of different fun combinations. Whenever they come to mind, or maybe it's when you're walking in the grocery store, jot them down on your phone, and when you go home, you can use your flavor Bible to look up different combinations that would pair well with whatever your brilliant idea was. If you don't have this book yet, I encourage you to buy it. It has been one of my best resources to creating my own recipes. It really gives me that inspiration and that push that I need to figure out something new and to figure out something creative. So I'll leave a link below to purchase the book on Amazon and a few other retailers below. With these steps and the help of the Flavor Bible, you are well on your way to creating the best salads ever. If you make your own salad, be sure to tag me or send me a message on Instagram. I love seeing your creations. If you need more information or the exact steps that we talked about in this video, check out my website, homebodyeats.com. And if we haven't already connected, go ahead and subscribe on YouTube so we can be friends and you can see lots more content on creating your own recipes.